Hey folks, this is the Technics SL-1200MK7 turntable, and the company claims it's the next evolution of a DJ legend. After spending some solid time with it, I found plenty to love and a couple of caveats they don't shout about in the ads. So is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Technics SL-1200MK7 product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The SL-1200MK7 is a direct-drive DJ turntable released around 2019 by Technics, built for both DJ performance and serious audiophile listening. It's aimed at vinyl lovers who want pro-level reliability, top-tier build, and that classic Technics feel, whether you're scratching in a club or spinning records at home. Its key selling proposition? Bring the iconic SL-1200 line into a modern era while preserving the turntable's legendary performance. Technics SL-1200MK7 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform day to day? I use this for regular playback of my record collection, a little scratch practice just for fun, and even some serious listening sessions. The platter spins up quickly, 0.7 seconds to 33 1/3 RPM, according to the spec sheet. The motor stability is excellent. Reviewers at StereoNet noted pretty much on-spot rotational stability and very clean low end with crisp highs. What that means in real life is you get minimal speed fluctuation, very little wow and flutter according to specs. So your music sounds accurate, solid, and reliable without weird artifacts. In everyday use, it felt smooth, built to last, and high quality. Switching between 33, 45, and 78 RPM is straightforward, and the torque feels robust enough for DJ-style use too, if you're into that. One note, if you're primarily into casual background vinyl listening, you may not need quite all this ruggedness. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features and what they really buy you. Coreless direct drive motor. The Mk7 uses a coreless motor design, which helps eliminate cogging, that subtle unevenness in rotation, and provides high torque and stable rotational accuracy. For you, that means less humming, fewer subtle speed glitches, and a smoother playback experience, both for listening and DJing. Torque and brake speed adjustment. You can actually tweak the torque and brake behavior in 4 levels. If you're scratching or doing DJ work, you can dial in how fast the platter spins up and how sharply it stops. For casual listening, that's overkill, but for performance, it's a neat plus. Pitch control +8, +16%, +78 RPM, and reverse play. Yes, you can do +8% or 16% pitch shift, switch to 78 RPM for old records, and even play the platter in reverse. For DJ creative users, this opens possibilities. For everyday vinyl listeners, it's fun, but maybe not essential. Design and build. Aesthetically, Technics nailed the recognizable SL-1200 look. Familiar S-shaped tone arm, matte black finish, at least in US version, and the weight and feel that signals premium. Reviewers noted the Mk7 still looks and feels like a quality product, though not quite the cast aluminum refinement of some earlier models. The deck weighs about 9.6 kg, approximately 21 pounds for the unit. In practical terms, the build gives you confidence. You're buying something serious. On the flip side, it's less portable than lighter home turntables, so if you move it frequently, you'll want to give it some care. Pros. Excellent rotational stability and sound accuracy. Your vinyl sounds like it should. Versatile feature set. 33, 45, 78 RPM, pitch control, reverse play, it opens up creative uses. Legacy styling with modern touches, easy to fit into both studio and home setups. Cons. Features like scratch mode, reverse play, etc. are overkill for just background listening. Some minor assembly and setup quirks, tone arm balance, cartridge tuning, remain part of the vinyl game. Final verdict. So, is the Technics SL-1200MK7 worth it? And for who? If you're a vinyl enthusiast, DJ, or someone serious about sound quality and build durability, then yes, this is a strong pick. It bridges the gap between club-level reliability and home listening fidelity. For casual listeners who just want to spin records while sipping coffee, you might get away with the less expensive turntable and spend the savings elsewhere, say a high-quality cartridge or better phono preamp. But if you want a turntable that can do it all, and you're gonna use those features, it delivers.